So we were using Hāpara last year, and then a new administrator came in and moved us to another filtering system. It didn't compare. I couldn't get the information I needed. When they sent alerts to where students were, it was inconsistent. I missed a lot of information from the students. The little bit of information they gave was unclear. Their alerts were never correct. At one point we ran both Hāpara and that filter side by side. Hāpara hands down won. I was getting alerts left and right about students that were at places they weren't supposed to be, and the other filter didn't show anything. Also the ease of use. Hāpara's dashboard, I can go in and change something and open up a site very quickly. On the other one, it would take 5 to 6 steps. Again, Hāpara is just the best product out there right now. Once I moved back to the Hāpara filter, I realized how easy and user-friendly the dashboard is. It's so much easier for us to go in and set up parameters for our students. It also sends more pertinent information than the other programs that we were using. The filter is so much better than anything that we've used. It's our third filter we've used in the past 2 years, and it outshines all of them. For our middle school students, moving back to the Hāpara filter has meant that we are monitoring them and able to find where they are much easier. And they're not as happy with it because they like the other filter. We weren't able to catch them doing things they weren't supposed to. For our elementary students, the Hāpara filter has allowed us, the program has allowed us to push out to the students where we need them to be. So it's made life much easier for them. The teachers absolutely love our Hāpara filter. They love the fact that they can, in a heartbeat, send me an email and get a site closed down. They also love the fact that if they're not sure where a student has been, they can send me an email and I can get them a report immediately. It's also been amazing that it's helped, the Hāpara filter has helped our students that may be in need, that are self-harming or, just having problems with friends, and the filter has really been beneficial for that. Hāpara is really the only filter that I would ever recommend to anybody. I've used 2 others. They don't compare. Hāpara has kept my students safe. It's helped my teachers keep their students focused, and there's just nothing like it. And like I said, the dashboard is so user-friendly for everybody. And the 2 other programs I've had don't compare at all to these. So Hāpara is #1 in my book.